Oh yeah, into some no that is a Shamani Matia, Mammy Shelby, so be the I don't need me. If you had seen my way, I don't come near door. Oh, yeah, yet is so me, no, that is a Shamani, Mammy Shelby. When you mean I was our boy, you know, when I'm Ben. Madujamana Mamuda, Messiah, Medachi, Miriam, Miazi, Nina Lasha Winsa, yet to a day, Shana Mambo, Mama Kanyina to Masi, Mama Tampunyambo, yet Sabida, It's to be out of my Damara. If I want them being shown, not the papa and the way and I. Recram Damara, dear drop from my brain in eye. Benjamin, wait, in Granny Bassada, Cabo by into the outside, your dear mouth up for you. FM.
Kwabena Costy, I'm so
Baby, I'm a
No be for real. Cause there is ya we mind. How do you don't cross me? How am I who I true? I don't say Jerry. How am I who never I don't just walk on. How am I who I did. I'm a rabbit there. Sababu. I'm a rabbit there. Say at zero. And it's your kind of the world. Only me, wow, and cause a baby, I see. No, don't I hear you? Oh, see, oh, bah, a little baby, I dream, mamma, yeah, wow, was over to the end time. See the car break on, put to me to the car break on, put to me to the all of you, all day.
Zizi.
Mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy. Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy. Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Most definitely. But the force although I get there since you can. Unya oba na unya bema bi wote wasamase ajojai. E de pa. Se wo bi o so uni bi o. Wote wasamase. Waja tu se wo mo nko mo ono nko na eko. All right, so 30 minutes into 10 ebusia wasugu so uti ahinkan juma mid morning. Ahinkan 93.3 FM. Right, so my name is Jenny Champon Boatin Cosmos. Call me Kwabena Costy. From Bruce Money, and now Branty Part the Perfect Gentleman. Thursday, Yawada. So Yawada Beyond on the Economy Counselor's column. So Counselor Edwin will join us in the studios and everything come over brave. Coping with stress challenges in a relationship. What you want to do if his or her partner switched mood, then be our partner is not in a good mood, and then the bufuka crowd channel was like a crowd. And that person who didn't come on, who didn't come on, and that person was saying on the was ready. Pass on the end, I'll obey. We go back at you said, I'm a coach, my breath, and I stress, no, and I didn't know. But this same person, I'll complain this our bread. Who know Okuta phone or straight, no me, no straight. And so what's your pound no didn't come on? The focus in ya on the book, and so focus in ya on the phone. So such a person, one band so now wait me for a managing. So this is what we're discussing this morning. You can send your messages ahead of time on 0549 841 054 0594 841 044 841 Send your messages through and come on and coping with stress challenges in a relationship. And na me yere de bia na no kwa de as on pekasa nkofo so ntinani obefiasa. All right, so today happens to be the second day of the month September. Beautiful Thursday morning. How are you doing? If you speak English, if you speak Ganteten, if you speak F1, Brekume po iteme. If you speak Awza Yade, if you speak Frafrala Woni, if you speak Grushi Kwete, Yazama Kwadi. If you do speak Fancy or today, and if you speak Cree, the part I want to say, join me live on Facebook. I think 93.3 FM. And we are also streaming live on my page, Kwabena Costy. Check on Facebook, search Kwabena Costy. And I search Hinkai FM. And join the show live on Facebook. 33 minutes into the hour thing. Show produced by Nana Tupahin, DJ Shabu, Akusua the Podmas. Good morning, Kasia Pine Command. The CEO of Sir Johnny's Music and SJ Music. Yeah. Johnny, good morning. And also, good morning to my man Success. Good morning. Oh, yeah, taxi driver, you're from me this year. This channel pay want to say, Michiao Pan Super Michiao, Bright Weezy. I'll pay to stagger one and come out the taxi drivers in town, me new more. Which I will not pay. Yanko point out the more channel, you find out they know, voting. But now you rap life, you go for Rubia. You could hear what another fee. Mumbo will say, my pa. Some of voted here. Who votes here, Mr. Membo will say. Trinidad, I am Shishian Kwani and you go for you. Nanama Abigail. Nanama Abigail. I'm a son kind of last one. Nanama Adwuma Abigail. Make sure yourself, sweetheart. Much love. You already know. Ponya Adwuma, Ochina. Yeah, buy a chim or the market in the chiwo. About your moonshine or no panosia. And you could see a Kwaba driver so. Yeah, ba. A Kwaba driver, the best was on the Georgia. If a Sonia Mia Pedana, but Antonia May and Yanko Ponkas here. Yanko Pond there, I had more China there. About your Yenshia. If you am Pofwa, share the Padumas. I dream Park of Fimaisa. Kusi, the share Brown Nelson, the share DJ Face, the share Billy Man, Beshia Grover. Beshia DJ Shabu. Beshia Prof. Beshia Adwuma Bruni. Beshia Lizzie. Beshia Adwuma Verbi. Nana to pan here the on baby. Kwabena Costy the only said ya baby. And I was a mintra not at the Pamba Mishu Nana. And I just a move who your programs manager. Now me trahana to Pamba Yeshu. Or moi, sorty here. Oh baby. And the Beshia Timinia, Beshako Kung Africa, the sure bobo for Rimanfo. Timinia for Tinyaba. Beshia Joshua Kwabena Ejenim. Beshia AJ. Obrimpon Opokuware. Beshia Frank. Daniel Ajele. Squad Ninya. Beshia Nyakoponya Adwuma. Ochina. Ewo market in the baby a cargo for no loading. And I baby by reformer no and yeah, but no panonsia. 6 news nationals here. And now for the marching to us. And the Juma to us. And the 12 p.m. news in Swatwazo. I'll feel a rabbit number Robert's now say with Apomodimre. Kunkrum Africa's Aquaba Drive. I kind of fun games. Basso. I kind of games and fun festival. Basso Nyakoponya Adwuma. Usumi 26 September. And I basso. Patch back peke forms. Number register. Say with him table tennis ball. On him dame too. On him spa too. I kind of games and fun festival Nyakoponya Adwuma. Basso 26 September. Na enkofo higher sign kind of friend mo my enko floats. I kind ti mo my entwi mo memfa fa kro. Me pacho aba. Now tie. Me ko float no me pacho mo san fa adwen pambra me na sisi am refi. Adwen pam adwen do so asana kan refi sisi a. Right, me ko float no. Go float na go Kwabena Adwuma. Okay, right. So we go float now. Sana ya be fun games no. It floats near Saturday. Right, and games near Sunday. Okay. And Kwabena Adwuma we go float no 25th September. 25th September. Adwuma say no 25th. That's right. And 25th September Kwabena Adwuma we go float. Yeah, kimo me fa crow. Yeah, fa crow pa. And mo channel song. Now for 26 in so table tennis dame spa ninyazo we pick forms you bet t-shirt you bet mobile phones and all year gifts at that games in the zoo put me we need na dey be pay be that show and I just know what other you best or team make compulsory cause darling me woman no adore you me that's some no don't know under you patch for further inquiries, you bet me 0241 512388 0241 512388. Me see and then come on ye bedi no. Counselor will join us pretty soon. Now, if you are sharing 42 minutes into the hour, still tune into the best mid morning. Right, you're from your brand to part the perfect gentleman, Kwabena Costy. That's right. Me patch all pass as your man so send me any litigation free land to buy attachment boabo. Then your problems are solved. Yeah. So any interested persons should just call 0553 044 069. 0553 044 069. Pass as your problem be no as your man soon be no as ya. Watch me being Toma Obi. Now Hinket to have been Tom Obi. As I see Busa Penny being Tom Obi, me patcho. They are suffering Trevor Toma also. Me patcho pa. And I'm a fine check. I see a punk will be around here. 93.3 of FM. And let me say a very big good morning to Abigail Kwachi. Abigail Kwachi, oh yeah, Achim Abuabu Adute. And I say Akosua Abigail. Sit out. And I could pon count and I also was some deal. What I say? Abigail Kwachi and Akosua Abigail. My love for Abigail for the Ajayo. Esopa. My sister is Abigail. And the landlady is also Abigail. Landlady near friend Abigail, so what I say. And I still was in church. Right, so 44 minutes into 10. My 8 good music, Akra. So stay tuned. 93.3 of FM. Good morning.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy. Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy. Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy. Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
Afena me say we are see chrome balance crania. Of one balance at all. Maza, opewa di aya fam be hye nwum ashabu ebo no. Nana kosi da kwa. Nana kosi. O chere ni anopa ba na say wo chere nkola ICT no. Wo hu ade a wo ye. Wo hu ade a wo chere. Anana. Adia Shabo ye no Shabo boy Juba Nana me patcho nso boy Juma. Boy Juma na Shabo nya hwe me so me nya hwe. Ye Juma bo Ghana, e bo Africa. In fact ye Juma bo na precisely. Nyankopon ya do mo chana na ya vote no e ba na wie ye. Betray Eastern Media Excellence Award. Eastern Media Excellence Award. And I would him say I nominated Kwabena Costy for Best Mid-Morning Host of the Year. Best Mid-Morning Show Host of the Year. I said Best Mid-Morning Host of the Year. Kwabena mekan ho. Ebusia ye nipa mako in song 7. Nipa 7 na Kofrobia fo wo Nkoko fo wo Mafosu fo wo Nkoko Kofrobia fo there say I don't know. I think so na Mid-Morning men kwa on. Yeah. Me pa mo chop ha mo to ma me wa try last day. Ya bo hu deura. Sir John, me hu hwe vote one program am Sir John jai obo a. Success is na fa me one vote cap prince or so vote. Kobe praise in vote cap pre ba so vote. Oh, edi membio. Ishaba prince on vote cap pre or so vote. Baby na me no. Why be mo me din me amma. Yayi vote cap pre yayi so vote. Enti onche matadi obes. And I want grab you. Onche me to mo peso fra. Papa cho vote ma Kwabena na ochina numero 5 o'clock can na can say deadline aso. Tadi obes o se. Oma close voting we no. Ochina ye koko for you. Man boy am pa my am forward number me be transfer so me di me bonu so me nkasa men kan da da ko for bia de nsaba pan a ye bet na so no so di nkasa ye mbo ye me mbo me ya di so obeti I kind of za na me time so na me coffee me nkasa me hu se mo kra won pa ma se me ba me kasa be robenia Kwabena nya oboa da mu de Yesu do mo di bi ba ye me he maso ave me huri atra cham na me call I just was vote mama me pa choti say untumi process na me the number be to ja me ba chop me the number be to ja sisi on say bia opese wo send mobile money e de ba na ye vote na yen kofa word man pacho number no betu bia sisi na wo dia two na fe yes you vote no bia ba kay nye blana go yamso sabo wodim say anyu we enra na me bo dem yeah enra ni me bo nyu we dem na we tell you is need am say Demo na lumba bubrai papa no kan dem pa won nyum start nyum na ti ade o dey start nyum no yeah go okay Shawo udi bibi sisi ya Kobe praise payment made for member amounts by Kobe Ayade was sending yes midinu other two Cosmos Watson currently wow Kobe praise Yabisha chala appreciate yeah trust me wow it's Kobe udi no ohene ben bedi akon ohene ben bedi akon right menya message sisi Kobe praise that tune wow e just say me Kobe praise the free list anymore aka yayi Success. And I said John. And I Shaba Prince. Now, Ochana dear. Okay, Ochana, you ever call Janet Chiwon? It's after Janet Chiwon, your movie, Coco Florida. Aha, a Kojiaba. Now, Mama, you call, now you did a pampa. And my sound so, because I can't years to him. Alright, so Color Studios and Vegetal Embroidery Paper was a wedding photography, birthday photography. Yes, mommy can't say it. So yesterday, I was in a room like I had nothing doing. I was just playing music, listening to music. They said, "No, my boy, I'm listening to Imapi, Mighty Man, latest be as John. They are sending me." And then there's this artist. He sent a song to me on through my mail. So Endra de na de me ya na me tie you know music. And I also going through my phone. So I came across many if you am for picture ni ko twa Color Studio no. Then I decided to say let me post it on Facebook. And let me post a picture on Facebook. Come and see comments. I compose say save the date. Save the date. I beg. It is not save the date. I mean, this is me and the fiam for. I mean, we just do our thing. We need me and the Charlie. That me if you bet me I had overdream one say. So the picture I just posted on Facebook, people were saying a whole lot of things. Me decided to me. I mean, me reply to Obi Ade. One cause I don't call the So Color Studios and Vegetal Embroidery say, "Oh, worry, a pre wedding photo shoot." As I save the dates, but me and Sama save the dates. Yeah, yes, bra. I did job. Birthday photography, studio photography, picture frame, passport picture. Color Studio and Vegetal Embroidery say, bra. Sound sort out one time, pa. Halfway so, say embroidery. Works in your school crest, badges, church Lacoste embroidery, school Lacoste embroidery, 4-star row cap embroidery, and a police uniform. Purchase out training conform person when video editing. So you send out with handle camera and show. I say brand new training video shoot, photo shoot. Then you brand new training. We watch more than Liberty Transport, Upseat, Cannot Pharmacy. Oh, now be home. Color Studios and Vegetal Embroidery. Number was 0245 276638. 0245 276638. Color Studios and Vegetal Embroidery. Oh, zebra. Your guy, pa. Right, you know, my trying home, bra. Trying home, bra. Me see, coping with stress challenges in a relationship. Coping with stress challenges in a relationship. Obi wo hono ma. Ni kun ni yere ni mpena. De bia ma bre. De bia ni mood asesa. Ye hye bi bebre, ye nim kofo bebre. Atopan won se den. Right, atopan say ni girl ba ko no ase ha no so sa no tie ni mood sesa sa. Atopan na dem biem. O se ba ko no so wakokobe ni so sa. No so sa ni mood sesa sa. Right, and then come here, baby, me patch cancel about this year. Na ya twan komodie ni so. Right, you know, stay tuned 93.3 FM. Wait my send you messages ahead of time through 0594841044 0594841044. Come here, baby, and then it's simple. Nipa sa no, akwan ben so na obefa ne natena. De bia ni mood enye. O try cry to put him or her in a mood cry enye ye, but o cry the phone no sre or IG or FB or Telegram or ha or sre but pay attention to one our person was switching the mood from bad to good no nipa sa no sabi obe ne den being your wife, your husband, your boyfriend, your girlfriend a kwan ben so na nipa sa e betina yeah eti yaba sisi a counselor will join us pretty soon. Stay tuned.
Eja mi nte adwuma.
Meje so ebro, opening kwanta bisa.
Eja, we di anya mani son. Na anya na wotwe ne na mbeto se. Ono o made video kafukafu abomachi a. Mo petepete mkoko yi sui. Ene na so biem.
Me nua wa bisa bio na mpenifo se akom ene enkyeremu. Yagu koko yi so agu nanso da bia ye beba na ate ene akate age koko yi so afa.
Eya ben wo nua na metensempa maka bia kyerɛw. Na ewiase akokoba a oben woni no. Onde di abebesere. Nokure wo mu ne se. Enura hodo e wodwa so ne nyinaa. Wo mu ne ate ne akate na afanyonko. Entizesi a omukɔ nakranda. Entize wugu pe enye omo hwe. Na duro ba ko a etim ate ne akate pa. Ni din ne akate ken.
Je wo kan ye nokure. Sanse entesa enka emma ne seida.
Akate ken ye duro nwanwaso bi a Rainbow Agro Sciences na kofa ba. Na duro din ne honam se. Na Ghana Cocoa Board nso agiatum.
Akate ken wa mama koma Tomiyem.
Okuyani bi a opese obonu koko ho ban no. Wonye ntempa no kope akateken yi bi nto. Akateken eye koko nurumu nyina hene. Rainbow Agro Sciences na die bedwa so. Baabi ye to okuyaye hu nuro bia obenya bia to ho. So open dudu matua fra homa yi. 0240897074 ana 0243639920. Akateken obedi wo ho afri ate ni akatensem.
Ohima mianka mbojuma ewo mpem na asema eme wo mpem pa o.
Minua kawa kuma ato yem amaje herbal clinic esa enyadewa nyina wono esa enyadewa bi te se bema wayemre ewo mpem bema wontomenwo wo ema afemu nso amaje esa enyadewa bi te se asekeka wo ba wontomen enwo nso amaje behwe na wasenete ede amawo
se krampo na mefe dware bana so me ho keka me te se zongola chichi e na achimi o
dabi amaje esa ehunemu ni yare bia sempo bubu eguko anasa woni pedie nyina ayemre udane weni ede kire amaje herbal clinic wonom ewo emfidie wo ho a wonom ede ebeso wahwe ehu yare a ehaw ansa na wonom amaw anwedru ubehu amaje herbal clinic kire kwan ewo odan aboabo any gas filling station no ene di enfeni mu fra won ewo telephone number edi di soyi eso 0244877840 anasa 0205045655 ko amaje herbal clinic nanya wa yaresa.
Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense were back. And
what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia, Yariantimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. Now yamwa suing in no, a boy who buy every home. And now pa one yarwana dada, no monum doctor and rono, and num imbusaba mesanoa, and more who are deep in tea. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba mesa, a walk kansi, and you may move bia your toe in row. At to 0246 208496. Imbus haba mesa, police in no edrono, and Kratway FDA. Asayasiye.
Middle, answer Neddy Fia, Rampao.
Ha, a pint 20, and I'm a Fia Shamsano.
And no see a Suprana.
A J.A. Pinding and Call Limited, and one with the sun your way in our bed just so. And you no quampun our home, me do so to one, and your money say, baby.
Near me bit to set down now.
Pines on and I'm saying, what then your men yet to say wine. A ya parazone one and me this year.
Middle, me fun feature up to be the nephew. Dear Badina, I will rap to be easy.
Eya Kashano, na media to up will be brain as Nubia, Papa Patas, soon as so at to say wine.
Nancy, our one in Nampila, who our Wobia will fear me.
Meditawo, a J.A. Piney snake reparent, and dear two of my sessan.
Hey, and no one near my papa.
Finally, Chris open and say, what did you, Madame, who was saying, I and once one, I'm the one chance when you're not there.
And you're with you, media does the Achelaman sign. I ain't fan no more.
J.A. Woman, your mano, who benya biato Kumase, Takra de Tamale, Ho, Sunyane, Kwako, Wabuase, Bonga, Oda, Ghana Commercial Bangi, NAD Animus Share. Sawa Penidoso Poma Tua, Ubenya be a Waka, Swa, Riniba Road, Wakasana Factory, no SCA. Mamma number, no from Comacoin, no so from 0242 771 650 and now 0247 5 576-643.
Medofo, now so mudi ni body say.
Eye J.A. Binding and Call Limited.
Ja, me drew ho sesia.
A Jamo building contractor for dear a yana mani brimu, if you say a bus cement, iron rods, and the blocks I did see a dynamo. Mother said Jamo Freya near the free factory, straight near the Abramo
factory. Jama want to Quasi Distribution Agency in Kaon.
Hey, who can one nipa base and Siana Mabo, Sa Quasi Distribution Agency for you?
Achiwa Dan and Bottom Hadi will be a will see done, and now wire construction beer, Ecofan cement, and an iron rods, every Quasi Distribution Agency. And see, and your factory one I know the Bramo. A factory, the contract. Kwesi Distribution Agency and no supply cement, iron rods, blocks, size BR, and Adwuma binding wires, pavement blocks, and ya dense who Yaman Kayana.
And it is a woman I digu one track in the Breway.
Achimo Dani Eastern Region and Kaya Hadie will be a confirmed cement, iron rods, a free Kwesi Distribution Agency, Achimo Dan.
Ah, sir, Cyborg Yeni Mami Bio,
Kwesi Distribution Agency, Achimo Dan.
Monsieur Fiti Necro, a dembia missiano, a chim Danny Eastern Region Ham Potamwakani dear, a Quasi Distribution Agency, a Juana Meko. Matisse, one more opposite Timber Market, Omo by MTN, and a telephone number is ensure a 0202 722 695 and a 0266 422 351. Quasi Distribution Agency, Yaya Yesi Dino, Yanewa Necro.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Adwuma.
Champagne with champion. You best to say one. I'm all at my remember. Chasse from no free me go away. And son out there cause yes, son of free me go away. And son out there cause yes, son of go. Say any woman and thing. Let's say Vanchina. And I know near the girl. Jana Batre. Also Jagu me so mama noa. I'm a bini my efugo. I'm falling over me basumi. Otama baby tata. I got me shikeke. Don't send me what you get. What outing me getting? Me watching girl. Darling, tell me what you go. Okay, tell me what you go.
Sisi Obana, Yanu Akuma Hima, Sare Kakura, Nemane Ninji, Wakura Obana,
somewhere 2015, 2016, when I was working with Adwuma FM. The organization show B, and then this man was our main act, yeah, that night. Adani Best. I was very young at the time. That time, man, finished school. Charlie. I think I have a picture with this man on Facebook. Yes, call me page, man. I have a picture with Adani Best. Now, what he told me, anytime I born in Makai, I was very young at the time, and then the advice or the man that time, I think it was 2015. Yeah. Or 2016, the hobby. That time, young boy, right, 18 na company the more and voting still na record. Na copy praise I send ya to. And as you see, I'm sending a message be from Kingsford Kojo Aqua. A dinner by no Kingsford Kojo Aqua. I'm about WhatsApp and who says I Sassa. Hey, Sassa is good dinner do. Kingsford. That's what they are too. Wow, many are Japan, much love, yeah. This is success could be praised. I'm going to list the movie. I'm going to get some more comments. So they be emblem. And I was vote. Me be in fact, who that make hello, Charlie. Because be sending me momo, and I was surprised. I was like, really? Me this year, God bless you. Imbu se aba me shabe pacho called drugstore bia na ko pebi to sisi a mi so to ide enkofo ya rebe pie pa ya rebe a pebe bia hye apa kunya atena so wo body mu iso to ide afi ne ba be pie o sasa bro no afi ne be ba ya renkiti ni na afi ne ba betete o e ba sa na chese immune system no eni ahoden dia eni ahoden na ya renkiti bia afi na omo be chira so den omo be chira badness be part of imboost for boost the immune system no na ya renase into one time pan fama to ya renase to ya renase o drugstore bia na pharmacy bia o se o pe police ni edru imboost ya ba me sha be boa the boost the immune system no Debi ameka se enye se wo yare na wonum imbus debi se wo yare se wo nyare pa chopan pe imbus e ba me shani bi na no o pe bebre nso ato anso na wa frɛ 0246 208 496 and 0540 710 113 Akate King Agro Sciences, Rainbow Agro Sciences for product Abedama. Never told my son can be a cocoa creating now tell me some real. Never one a queen more be a titi cocoa, no, I can't for you now. Ube Johnny. I love ever one my cocoa, no, as soon as control air black pot diseases. I take good cocoa, no, so everyone now for producing more fruit and quality beans. Everyone cocoa soon so. And to go to any agrochemical shop for your own or pebito. Akate King, go back to me patch of Akate King. The bones on your day that form boko. Cook any baby to be. About open church, movie now for 0240 897074 0240897074 and I say 0204 363990 0243639920. Now fresh is here. How much hair back clinic is here? The ultra modern scam machine by German so. Omu office or German so. Oko be saw ya reala. Me unim me come aje bi anama kai kojo. Na ma kai fish. Fish be bi na ya re do koedo. Awon mo ti man san ya re. Ela mo di bi kan. O se me kan che marketing manager say company no e ba fi ha for adverta. Yam pa mo. Omo di 2 billion ba kura yam pa mo. O se ko me koedo. or the machine in an boss so scanning mission maybe as yadi okay yaba more drawing of na collab ya didn't say someone in drew still na come on ya na ya o kobe mama say every say ya ma draw money o e ba jo come aje ba clinic ya ma draw money bia ya no be for tram modern scan machine mo e be scan you liver e be scan you kidney afei so be hwe nyoma bia enkoye wo we de mu ana say o body ni mu no be collab on so kan ya be show junso mu moje mu ya hwe ya reporting etete amaje de e ba jo quantum detectors way as well and to say also na how prostate enlargement syphilis hypertension and I say hepatitis B and C kidney problem menstrual problem diabetes and I go on syphilis to us here one time pa yes bra na yes am screen free am free screening ya watch him on amaje ba clinic watch him on Red Cross Junction aben kwamo hopen abron sign no and sro and abehu amaje ba clinic eba cho friend was 0244877840 0205045665 I beg your pardon 0244877840 0244877840 and 0205045665 amaje ba clinic and I say why you receive here right so counselor yes yeah stay tuned now me say wait me the messages now by ahead of time when we show Facebook just leave a comment and then share how to cope with a stressful words where's the topic la I mean kind of send it here right so coping with stress challenge in a relationship yes coping with stress challenge in a relationship what should one do if his or her partner switched mood and then good mood kakra what's not kakra come on everyone ma it's quite complicated so baby sana be ma bi sana say odwen wa won ti ase ye hwe counselor be join yen sisi na afi ye be din komo no nipa bi ti sa na say ukun ti sa oyere ti sa ompena ti sa kwan be nso na be fa on ne betina enkofa ebufuo kese bi mba enkofa menteme ho ase bi mba ebia say no no de nyame bo no ebia bibi ena e ha no ebia ade bia ontumi ndi ho nkomo ena e ha no but the kwan ben so na wo be fa abo no na was mood need to from bad to good yes and to stay tuned e shen komodina sisi stay tuned odan joni di wa makuma kunosu video ni na woni kwa opene nyo wa fe o misi ni zi kanzu ja ni mo bueno da na no yasim bodo bi wo what
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
You don't know what important Arabia begins to us. You don't know what important NCO. Ubaba da Santi Mamdi. I'm so I am in a I'm more than a middle.
I'm making kind some reactions being from out. Sometimes you post the topic in our group. I'm making kind messages. I always tell you guys I am more for Mudi and Kaho. I'm making kind some reactions before counselor start with everything. Making kind reactions. I think you have to practice mindfulness. Do not keep on reminding your partner about the past hate. Do not go ahead of yourself as well by creating worst case scenarios in your head. Enjoy the present enjoy the present and do the best that you can today for the better tomorrows. To stay grounded in the present by paying to watch your senses are experiencing. I don't understand this message. I said to find the lesson, whatever you are going through right now may make you or break you. Do you want to grow from the experience, or you will allow it to destroy you? It may only take right. So it is only you who can make this decision, make this experience a life lesson for you, and do not forget the takeaways you got. You these people. Okay, we say learn to accept events and people around you without the need to change them. Kwabena, you have to know that you cannot control everything. Right, so Rashid, got you. Right, so Amma Priscilla says, no matter how tough the times are for both of you, remember to connect several times a day. Both of you do not mind readers, so find time to be on the same page. Start and end each day with hugs and kisses, even if you do not feel like this. Kissing triggers the production of love harmonies. This harmony gives you the warm and fuzzy feelings of love, safety, and trust. Once you start this daily habit, all the loving feelings will follow. Wow, true. It's in the mood now, say cry kiss. Who be in the mood I say on kiss down. And I shall be what the person you move sport already. What be kiss give out. All right. I appreciate you. I appreciate your message. Funny, do not stop smiling and laughing together. Do not sleep without catching up on each. Do not sleep without catching up on your success and troubles for that day. Make time to be together and even go on a date. I don't know. What's the question I see? How do you manage such a person? This is what I'm asking you. Obi in the mood, especially from good to bad. Now why basa? Now what I say? I mean, she's always not in the mood, or he's always not in the mood. How do you handle such a person? Stress. Obi to stress. Emma nipa mood. SSA. Yes. So how do you deal with such a person? Your stress. SSA in the mood. I'm gonna tell the world you're my lover and my friend. don't think so. Muti as ye. Ana me na man boutique Costy ni. But who message you out? Because I try to de-escalate the situation you are in by practicing empathy and forgiveness. Apologize for your actions and attitude, and your partner will appreciate it. Come on, we are not talking about. Come on, Mommy, put the question here.
I found somehow true love. I can't believe no one else.
Okay, Mommy, can I wish you say good morning, Costy? Regina from across. So the question is, when you meet such person, do as he or she does. When when his or her mood changes, you should change too. And when it comes, then you you also comes. Else, don't worry when the person comes out of his or her mood, then you also swing. That's all. No balancing. I think Regina is making sense. Mood is a mood better. Ana yan kwana sa mun se sabe su me de ba sa love goes where love is. If you feeling it, come and join us. A song from Wuta Kotosa. Right, so Counselor is here in the studios. You call straight. I can messages in Akra, but you call straight to studio B now for any Counselor. Akaba.
Come now, yeah.
Biaboko.
ya me ado me bia woko anopa me suma fa stress nim me suma fa bu pa stress nya
stress dey confront in them sa now and your topic no ya hwe Kwame so na yani nipa sa bet na obi a stress into the mood asesa oni ne kasakra say on person obe feel but meanwhile okra phone she's laughing he's laughing oni ase oni agye wo phone so but wo now ben now person who try to switch the mood back to good on pay attention. How do you deal with such people?
Good gora we da say anopenso ne nyame ase ya wada akwasa abetun bi na me aminchia me chief mascot on de bia me kasa no pa bia wa biem a woti an no pay me chia bosume phone na so yes odro they are doing the listening. Yeah, Kwabena, you are a very salient and as a very important issue na or the about in discussion now I said I'm making stress I no pay my family pa stress in its sense nan kan there airborne so what I say sometimes it challenges you to do certain things e bia na wonni ho ahoden see I said I'm making a situation aba it needs a quick response whether I like it or yes, I have to respond to it. Into doing that, it has taken a lot of energy from me this morning. I said, and I did read my agenda so. Then so because say I have to react to that one. Until I make I take a lot of energy from me this morning. Good. Now, send a work no. Yembra in relationship mo na ware mo na say Kwabena ye sa stress no. Ye kasa stress in boy ye ade. Normal say situation be see na obe react normal whether in the positive manner or in the negative manner and na Kwabena ka say bre and it takes you it help like a ma wo dwene bro de say wo dwene so e ma sabi nyoma bi wo ho a enka ompese obeye kura na you would have to it take a lot of energy from you the negative side here whereby now another thing can say it's sad flu where they may use the chemical terms that adrenaline cortisol no it is within the human setup now stress ne basana it pulls a lot of it through your bloodstream your heart your veins your muscles nini na what happens is obi o relationship mo obi o ho na there are nyoma bi a ekoso wo relationship ni mu no a man bre emotionally these are some of the things that cause stress a relationship like a nipa attitude and now can ono ko a ho a ofa phone ohwe nyoma bi a na osre ofa we a na o kan ho asem ofa we a but the moment a ube refie ho no na asesa you ask yourself say why what are you not doing right that is the most idea ba kwa me person tie for share is one of pay obu a na eyenisu wa practice masade na ka ho enye wo obehia wo no etiefo ntem yie pa enye wo a obehia wo e na wa start yesade na order sa suban na di no
ye de wo no
good ni sunu no one ne maame ne papa nom na ho a ni nuanom obia owo school dem ono ko ho a obesre I mean entertain himself but the moment anipa be ben no na sade na teko yes if you are unfortunate na ukoshia obisa ewa wariem ana ukoshia obisa wo sebe mpina twim sometimes don't overstretch yourself mane nye ade wu bia se no sumasi ohumia ase kakai ase sebio meja menan agumi ho that kind of stuff there be but what you have to realize is ebia no de sa na de ball no good but Kwabena that notwithstanding no yenhwe the ono so enya sa na de ball no no the why na dwene say wo de ono ko ahye dem a ene na nije ba na de onya awura ne saman yes let's look at that person also you ask yourself adentina amani pakro no yesa in the first place that's the question I want to ask adentina amani pakro no yesa me no wo awadem ana me no twempena na like all of a sudden se wonko ato ho anu ani age nanso me ba ho ana se me nya bowura ho pe yes it means one ebia bema no o ya ade bia oba na ni nje ho ebi so na oba no so ya ade bia bema no ani nye ho and it backs down to the simple basic rules, and I say the duties and they be a can once and yes. So now all these things what you are supposed to do as a wife or a husband, and I say you can't say and you are not doing your roles nice. The amount says oh you know. Sometimes the moment you ban on person be haunty. Now on any phone any idea bro. On hand ho crowd who be. Yes, and then also there is this idea they be American their boss will respect. And maybe a num kasa nyet the cra. And maybe so num kasa a bon can. Yes, and at the end of the day, the person will have to put himself or herself through sadie I friend is stressy to avoid you. Sanity, the person will have to put himself or herself in such situation way only to avoid you. And you say be a kwambone so, and I said like he's trying to protect Adia. Say be on some moment.
Obi wa obeka say I'm stressed. Inti me mood assassin.
Yes.
Now say me ma chance kwana say make kasa. Wasem no kram be ma stress more.
Good. Last Daniel the last week I buy free. I think me call na me friend, me lady friend be. Me friend na enkomo oni mi di no, and me hu say no emfa. And one of me buza ada mood assistant I only right mood man and I say my hood ye I didn't man to kasa no bi man kasa hu bi just enra me wa no I was happy me say this and I'm say oh good I've understood you what you say enti Kwabena the make no like on fe nipa na nya hwe and then emotionally o de nipa na e fa ade e yam because on fa na nya hwe o kasa oni like say Robert that form snena maybe I send a da form in tinebia. Yes, but at the end of the day, on also one who say, oh, you nipa, on also one who say, no, like me sumbo, me kobe bia, look at the way people uphold me, but me befia, ready me kun, and I me yere ayami. And at the end of the day, in order to avoid some of these things, I have to put myself through this situation, of which is very bad. Do you know, Kwabena, stress, Emma, a big mental issues. True. Stress, it me ma, say depression, on the highest level. Because at the end of the day, they be no ono ko enti fa ne se Kwabena se sada na ni phone e be ma light off and the phone be dum no obe den fa se Kwabena sada na ni phone e be se e be hwe and as sada ne kra na e be a wantumi anko online a wantumi enya these videos and as nyoma e ma nipa sire we enya bia den na nipa ne de ne hu ba akoshem. People are doing a whole lot of people in their rooms and in, in their relationship and they think that it is normal. You think of Bemane dwene mofrane school fees ho or dwene de sebi ebia na adwuma ne kwa say enkote se first no na bia oba ne so dwene kwan obefa so obeboa bemai na bemai na adwene say my dwene say me de masema na me no na me you are putting the person through a whole lot of stress on and American at the end of the day like the only idea be man anije any cell phone because okobia na no sisi a wakanja tasem you wouldn't give it like oh man is a chance ne crash or expressing ho. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, the be an asset or stick it to the phone. And now you know catch the beer I am in a bad mood. The beer I am in a bad mood. Yes, e be a beman so yemfa and I men can say beman no ba no. Adwuma sem. You see Kwabena sabi our bosses ne unkofo ani omo ye adwuma. She say sometimes when we are coming back from work she said, only mood him. But how would you explain some of these things to your wife? How would you explain some of these things to your husband? They be our boss to console. They be a nipa sabi uye juma mo. They be a idea uye be they don't appreciate. And right from say ube fie no crowd mood in ye. They be a ibe busa me worry wa fe dey say dey unti wanim krema me. Madam Pacho entisa. Abranti Pacho entisa. Sit the person down. I believe say how we can solve some of these issues. Yes. But we are talking about what it leads to and answer what are some of the causes. So I say these are some of the stress issues we are talking about. Me say a whole lot of heart problems, mental issues like depression, a whole lot. Say a cancer stress way and your man at the brain pa. Me, I'm very sorry saying the man to me a man. Can make very deep.
Right, you bet to also next week now. Messages be by person make kind because of time. Now I feel be so a question of person also fra. We say Mary inside a chim. but yes. I say isolate the source of the stress. This could come from either outside your relationship, work, family, financial issues, or within. The source. If the source of the stress is what? Right, I think answer one way I say isolate the source of the stress. We say make a priority check if your relationship matters more to you than the source of the stress or the fact that you are stressed. Then you should focus on your relationship very much. Right. 2 messages are about for now. How to deal with such people.
Good.
Because of time.
We are coming back to a course there should be a solution. It's Kwabena, what we are saying is if you find yourself in such a situation, make time for yourself. Make categorizing, make time for yourself. If you find out that Obana on the she is stressed up. Bemana on the he is stressed up. Make time for yourself. Sit the person down. Communicate. What is the actual problem? Ebiana a request be no busao, and I went to end this and ya buapayo. Ever since I went to end this abortion, the super assassin all of a sudden, Mami. Bemane ka sembi chrew e free hono wan ana wan ton popuye bi abiu e free hono won say ne suban asesa sit the person down e hono ya na ka say counselors adwuma anything yensu animu din komo no let the person understand what you are going through because of the attitude. Yes,
obi message be I say Costy, you see there are some people naturally born that way. Whatever you do they don't cherish. So you need to do as they react, and when they are off, then you go into so that the person will know how sad it is. No, when there are things as a retaliation.
Good.
Or you do
or person also feel be in his shoes or her shoes for once. Senka also ade here pa na obe kan once match me obe na me so me kuta me phone na me di bo game. Obe bu say asema make an enquire asema na yes. At the end of the day, when you put such a person through such a say nyame adom no kan na or retaliate also unya easy what I say Kwabena and American
me partner about this similar message I was say step into their shoes, not on their toes. Yes, though if you haven't gone through the same trials and tribulations as your partner, rather affairs that the partner can still connect with the sentiments and feelings surrounding the situation to help navigate through hardship together. I think the same way now. Right, before
good. We are going through something, and you perceive free, and you can make time for yourself, whether to be happy, whether to laugh a lot. Like and you maybe now you did your time na did but stress in mpon emma okwan ma woni di etiefo tie say if somebody is going obi to me yekese because of stress Kwabena you might what you like enya adwendwen pese but sadie na all go through no etumi man yekese obeka say bia ena etumi show bi na say why yekese o adwen dane so ne de o famu no emotionally on person obeka ho asem. Yes, if you know within yourself say ade we na ha me enu nti medidie me na me chese me nyoma bebre asay me pa chow sa nyoma na ma feel happy no if na unim say oni ukudi nkomo na sa time e ma woni gia go back to it. Whatever happened, put it at the back of your mind. Sister, bra, listen, you are causing more harm than good. Kwabena, the person is causing more harm than good. Or more situation, you know.
Right.
So you are saying the bonnet is fache. So you are saying sister no is enough because what you are putting the person through, no, you might not be aware. They say they be a sorry and a suicide. You be sorry and a say and you be sorry. Kwabena, it is serious. Topic where me I didn't come early. That is my problem.
Mommy, time there. I can't 9 minutes.
Good.
Obi able some question. One could be praised. Mommy, Emma wants some. I'm about Madam for Kwakunsu message on the lengthy message. Good. Many about track. We say could be praised. Can stress be the cause of mood swings? Because there are people who go through mood swings regularly. Okay. I mean, check could be praised on one in Kenya. Good. Yeah. Kobe, so would say, yes, it is true. Stress, mood swings, stress in the design your maneba. Yes, because at the because of what you pass through, and I said what you encountered during work, job hours, when you went home, nipa no tifie ni ebenya sense nso no. Wo fuan ade ko fie. Enti ko duru fie a person will be crab ben. It's that stress that you went through during working hours, no. And no na would ya kufie and I will descend on the person, no innocent person, no. Or because I want, or stretch the wa. Just an adrian crazy wa person doing some beka. Then at the end of the day, the person also feels bad. What have I done? But ebia oba no. And now who try say me do me fear me get anoa. Let me put or cut it short. Adwuma mu na saade we see enye the fault of my wife ona obema na me ware no me boss bi makwala bi na saade we etia me ho na mebufuo no ese me disi me drew gate na no. Don't forget say efie na okorom, it is a different entity altogether. Sense udi frifie na ekọ adwuma, know that enye wo yere na woni ne koye adwuma wo fi adwuma mu ho, enye wo kunu na woni ne koye adwuma wo adwuma mu ho. At the end of the day, so be at the end of the day has put you through that stressor. Ese who said no, maybe I make no a different setting altogether. Mami fan to let me go and work, or let me go home, make my wife and children happy, my husband and children happy. At the end of the day, Kobe, it is true. The stress will let you swing moods. And then so when you be a ebi kra na wadwen pa bi na at workplace no be a can se be a fun na obi aka sem bi obi a hye obufuo ukodru fie. Now, if you don't take care, what the back of the or innocent, yes. My main kind madam video, but I want to check on Facebook first. And I mean kind way because we say the kwakudi anyway. Okay. I know the brofakes. Yeah, as a moon. Brofakes yes make camp program or your school chawa unjindi. Obedi matemba mimi. Brofakes right, okay, my main kwakudi. I think it's a Facebook network no. I don't know. What's it Kwabena? This is my sentiment. Put your phone down. People are constantly in their or Instagram and checking the latest news and emails. People increasing reliance on their phone is proving detrimental to relationship. The problem is so rampant. It has a term, techno-reference. Hey. The mere presence of technology decreasing perceptions of relationship quality between individuals. And for those of us who think multitasking is possible, Kwabena, the science begs to differ. It makes more than 60 seconds for someone to refocus on a conversation after engaging with technology in any form. I think Sahano, he's making sense. Yeah. And for those of us who think multitasking is possible, Kwabena, the science begs to differ. It takes more than 60 seconds for someone to refocus on a conversation after engaging with technology in any form. Because we are constantly immersed with technology, we are not having those qualities quality interactions that would be happening if we were sitting face to face. Okay, also put away your cell phones, be present and truly engage in a conversation.
Communication. Some of the things that right now, this is what I'm doing. Kwabena, you can put the phone away. You think you are very jovial. There are certain qualities in you. And this is what you have to do. And change get quality. That is how I'm saying. Make enough time, quality time. Money take away. Yes, obi jiji we like get time for yourself. If you don't get time for it, will continue. And how can say me no din komo na say me de me phone. If you don't take it, the answer because I have to look at you and then expecting say we be repeat question because I was on my phone. If you don't at the end of the day, if who said busa question that is where I have to take time, think about the question and give you an answer. And then I'll ask myself, so does it mean that all this while 1 minute I say nah, what was your mind on now what to you see, obane de anyoma shenimua. Bebane de anyoma shenimua. And then you are causing yourself a whole lot of harm. Enti Kwabena we de mesre. This is a very simple issue. But yama edidiemu and it cause a lot of problem. Wow, go.
Yeah, 3 minutes per patch and preparation. And unfortunately, let me for course, yeah, patch of Mofanchen, I carry 3 minutes per near coffee. Now go point out man next week, so you know we might continue from here. I don't know, say our producers a different topic about there, but for now there we can't tell. But about preparation, cry and I carry 3 minutes near go.
Come on, my main fat number into you probably be no being so pay.
Exactly.
Yeah, come on near ya twice free. I say so 0246 272 392 0246 272 392. Make sure we be na I think I'll have to end up or sign up this way.
All right.
Go.
All right. Okay, you know, many thanks to Councillor Edwin for passing through today on the show as well. Your friend Jenny me champion boating customers. In fact, like I said, Pan Coma production team, DJ Shabo and Nato Pan here Kuswa the Padumas. Yango Pan Admo Chaya Friday. Your call market in Echiwo. Oda Edanechi.